R2-D2, Your Highness.
Please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to another installment of the build, the R2-D2. Now this is a correction for stage 71 or issue 71, also falling in line with issue 67. So one of my viewers pointed out that I installed the floor incorrectly from stage 67 or issue 67. And that would be down here on the bottom. And he's absolutely right. I totally missed it. These two brackets right here are on upside down. The recessed portion of those brackets should be on top and not on the bottom as such. So I just need to turn these around, and that will correct that error that I made. So hopefully you'll find this video and you won't make the same error that I did. I'll make the errors before you do. So what I'll go ahead and do is I will turn these brackets over, and they will be in the proper orientation as per the instructions. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. And there you go. Looking from the side, you can see the recesses need to be on the inside. And looking a little closer, that's how they should be. So I just turned them around, and that's perfect there. Thank you so much to the viewer who pointed this out to me, and I was able to examine the videos again and say, hey, I put that on wrong. He's exactly right. So it should be flat on the bottom just like this. I think I would have found out about this when I got to the point when I was going to install the bottom part of R2-D2 onto this, and I would have said, oh, what's happening here? I did something wrong. And I absolutely did do something wrong, and I thank my viewer for pointing that out to me right away. Actually, he pointed that out about 4 months ago, and I just now saw the comment. I try to keep up on my comments as best as possible, but I do miss a few, and that one showed up this morning when I was reviewing all the comments for my videos. So thank you again. Thank you if you subscribe to my channel already. If you don't subscribe already, please subscribe and smash that like button. If you would like to get this for yourself, head over to FanHome. If it's not available, pay attention. Sign up for their newsletter or whatever they offer, and I'm sure they will offer this again, and you can jump on it. And right now, just as a reminder, they are offering the Enterprise D once again for pre-order, and you can order that as we speak. And I believe the Millennium Falcon is on its way also to be available for ordering, if not available right now for pre-order also. And D'Agostini Collectibles is offering the brand new 1/6 scale GT500 1967 Mustang, and that's first time offered here in the US. I put a direct link to my videos. If you haven't seen the videos already, head over to my videos for the GT500, the 1/6 scale Mustang, and I put a link there. That link will take you right over to the page so you can order it. So you don't have to search around on the website or on the internet to find it. You'll find it right there to order it. And stay tuned. I have shipment number 3 coming in, or is it number 4? Number 4 coming in for the Batmobile. So stay tuned for that. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care. you.